This is going to be a video tutorial on how to manually check for updates in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up. Now, to manually check for updates, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to the bottom, down to where it says Help. Put your mouse cursor over Help. Then you'll slide straight off to the left, and you want to click on About Google Chrome. Now that takes you to the settings page, and toward the very center of it here, it tells me Google Chrome is up to date. It tells me what version I'm running. If it was not up to date, it would tell me that there's an update available and click to restart. But as you can see, I am currently up to date. That is how to manually check for updates in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.